This is true, really news with Scott Combs and Tony Verkinnes. All the news you're about to hear is true, as far as you know.
I just have to kind of get in there. I'm glad I'm wearing plaid.
So you have a rash somewhere we need to know about?
No, I'm just glad I'm wearing plaid because it is illegal in Scotland to be drunk and in charge of a cow.
You must be so proud.
How will my people ever overcome if this
Well, they
continues
could quit
like
drinking
this?
and...
Oh, hell no.
Okay, quit cows.
This has to do with the Licensing Act of 1872, which states that anyone drunk and operating a steam engine, horse, or cow could be fined 200 pounds. I think that's money.
That is.
Because if you're a young lady, there's no way they can get 200 pounds off you. And you could end up in jail for 51 weeks. It was most recently enforced on a Norfolk man who was operating a mobility scooter under the influence just a few years ago.
Okay.
Mobility scooters aren't covered by current drunk driving laws.
So they went deep into the archives.
Licensing Act of 1872, do your stuff.
Wow.
I'm just
Clever.
glad they had it. It's clever. It is clever. I'm not sure it can hold up, but it's clever.
Moody. Officers late December responding to a Lake Worth Beach, Florida home after a neighbor said he heard a woman screaming, "Help, help, let me out." When I didn't do it justice. I'm sure she was much more yelly.
Okay.
And screamy type.
Sure. You don't scream or yelly very much.
No,
I've heard you bellow.
I can bellow. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I can pontificate loudly.
Oh boy, can you?
When 4 Palm Beach... What's that supposed to mean, Mr.?
I meant that in the best way, Your Holiness.
Thank you. When 4... And it's your...
Want to wear the hat?
No.
Okay.
Well, it does make me look taller. When 4 Palm Beach County Sheriff's deputies...
Didn't take much. A beret would make you look taller.
Yeah. When 4 Palm Beach County Sheriff's deputies approached the homeowner, he said, "I'll bring the screamer out to you," which I think is rather nice of him. After a few seconds, the man returned with a voluptuous blonde who had obviously been held as... Oh, no. It was a 40-year-old green parrot named Rambo who serenaded the officers.
Rambo. I'll get the girl. Her name's Rambo.
The owner says we all had a good laugh, including the neighbor, because he decided to finally introduce Rambo to her, too.
How cute.
Rambo. Green Parrot. That movie would be very short.
Set the Titter Wayback Machine to January 1931.
Wow, that's even before you were born.
Right. High school student Jack Horsefall, whose name was obviously a joke, was annoyed by his cow's habit of swishing her tail in his face when he milked her.
Okay.
Possessing a high school educated mind, he came up with the solution to the problem in no time.
He made a law where you couldn't have a cow while you were drinking.
No, he tied a brick to her tail.
Clever.
Upon regaining consciousness...
Low tech, but clever.
Upon regaining consciousness and now in possession of a mind educated by a cow...
Let me guess. The cow took umbrage at the...
Oh, yeah. She just swished her tail. It caught him right behind the ear and knocked him cold. Then he untied the brick.
Don't put that under special skills, sir. This is true, really news. Send email to TITR@netradio.network.